I was diagnosed with stomach cancer about a month ago. I'm going to get my stomach removed on July 3rd. It's 2025. I'll go into my YouTube channel about that. I found out that I had a gene deletion called ctNNA1 because I sent out some DNA of my second daughter that I lost back in September to holoprosencephaly. She wasn't growing a brain. She had the gene deletion, so that means that I had a 50% chance of having it as well. Bing, bang, boom. I had it. The guy all over Snapchat and Instagram and TikTok and everywhere, even here on YouTube. Here's something I didn't know until I was in my 30s. Well, here's something I didn't know until I was in my 30s. I have a gene deletion that causes stomach cancer. And guess what? I have stomach cancer. Crazy. And I've been making content on the internet for almost 20 years now. And when I first started making content, I always just wanted to be a YouTuber. But I never felt like I had a story. And I was a vlogger for a while when I was in my early 20s. And I looked around my office recently and I realized like I have all the things to be a vlogger now. I have the mics, I have the cameras, I have the lights, I have the editing equipment if I need it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my best to vlog my thoughts, my feelings, maybe throw in some videos like things I think it'll be like without a stomach or whatever. But I'm gonna do my best to like not waste too much time on making these videos perfect. Not really that much editing at all, at least not at first. Anyway, I was supposed to get my stomach removed on April 18th. About 2 weeks after I found out that I had stage T1A stomach cancer. But after losing my second daughter in September, and then we lost another pregnancy in January. We're currently doing a home renovation on my house. We're renting this one right now. We moved across the country twice in 2024. When I started realizing how much of a big deal it was to get your stomach removed, I realized that that would have broken me. To only have 2 weeks left with my stomach. So now I have more time with my stomach and I'm gonna have more fun with it until July 3rd of 2025. I don't know what these videos are gonna be. I have some programming in mind. I have some videos in mind like that I do wanna film beforehand, but I definitely don't want to forget how scared I am and how much I'm learning, how many conversations I've been having, all the people that I'm meeting before I live without a stomach for the rest of my life. I'm 36. I'm annoyingly able. I have a full fucking capable body. It is so frustrating now, and I am so scared to lose it. So after almost 20 years of making content on the internet, after a successful career as a short form verticalized life hacker, and after constantly feeling like I have no real reason to make YouTube videos, I don't know a niche, I don't know my story, I don't think that I'm interesting enough. I hope this is interesting enough. I hope I can be a YouTuber now. Thanks for watching and welcome to my current YouTube channel. Please subscribe.